Meet Toasteroid, a new kind of toaster that brings family and friends closer together. When was the last time you were this excited for breakfast? Probably when you were her age, or probably never. Look at those smiles. Has your breakfast ever been so enjoyable? With Toasteroid, she can design anything she wants on her toast while you're stuck with the same old boring piece of blah. Her mornings look magical while she waits in excitement for that golden brown crunch. So, how do we do it? Inside Toasteroid's innovative and minimal design, the smart toasting system is powered by microfilament heating technology, but it can do so much more. Let your toast speak your mind with a smiley face or a like. Send a message to that special someone for a surprise. A superhero toast might be exactly what you need to power through the day. Each pop of toast is a surprise. There's excitement in every pop. Take a look at Tom. We can toast the latest weather forecast and other useful information anywhere in the world. Whether he's in London or Tokyo or anywhere in between, Toasteroid's got him covered, so he's ready for the day's challenges. What is more exhilarating than a morning message from your loved ones? How about a toastage? Secret messages that are only readable on toast, so the secret stays with you forever. It's the perfect way to stay connected with your loved ones, wherever they may be. This is the beginning of the Toasteroid journey. Unique, creative, and interactive. Help us kickstart your mornings with Toasteroid.
The history of seasonings and spices is as old as human civilization. Wars have been fought and new worlds discovered in an effort to make our food taste better. But little has changed in the world of seasonings in over 1,000 years. This market could be the one from last week or one from decades ago. It's hard to tell because we continue to use the same methods to season our meat, fish, and poultry. Most people sprinkle seasoning on the top of their meat. Most of it doesn't stick, and what does can be subject to burning during the cooking process. And besides, the seasonings on the outside don't flavor the meat on the inside. Or you can marinate, but marinades barely penetrate the meat. Also, marinades are time-consuming, messy, and often filled with unhealthy ingredients like high-fructose corn syrup and preservatives. But there is a reason it's difficult to season meats. Let's talk food science to outline the problem. Meat is mainly water, with the fibers similar to a water-filled balloon. Nothing's going to season the inside meat until some of this water is driven off. Fortunately, things change rapidly when heat is applied during the cooking process. The meat fibers become excited and the water begins to react. As the heat rises, rapid evaporation of the water begins. With a lot of the water gone, the fibers can now act like a sponge to absorb seasoning, but the seasonings that we applied earlier are still in the marinade bowl or on the surface of the meat. If we could have only somehow placed the seasonings near these dehydrated meat fibers so that the delicious flavors could be reabsorbed. Fortunately, we invented seasoning sticks. We are the first company to combine seasonings into a solid stick, which is inserted into meat, fish, or poultry prior to cooking. Seasoning sticks are really easy to use. Simply insert a few into your favorite cut of meat, and then grill, bake, or cook as you normally would. At approximately 110 degrees, seasoning sticks liquefy, and because a lot of the water has been driven out, all of those great seasoning flavors are absorbed into the inside of the meat. It's like marinating from the inside out. Our initial 4 blends for our Kickstarter backers will be classic California garlic, which we find delicious with both steaks and chicken, the classic French preparation of herbes de Provence, backyard barbecue, which is perfect for summer cookouts, and Thai peanut sauté, which combines dehydrated peanut butter and classic spices to help achieve classic Thai flavors from the inside out. This is the first product to let you create delicious dishes by seasoning from the inside out. We can use any combination of seasonings or flavorings in seasoning sticks. It's only limited by our imaginations. And the US Patent Office agrees with us and has awarded seasoning sticks, not 1, not 2, but 3 patents. We think you'll find the marriage we've put together between seasonings and food science revolutionary, and we hope delicious at the same time.
Hi, I'm Catherine with Seasoning Sticks. Kickstarter community, this is where you come in. We need your help to bring seasoning sticks to the marketplace. Over the past 2 years, my team has made significant progress. We've had our highs, we've had our lows, and I'm so happy to say that we've completed our research and development and we've settled on an old world, 13th century manufacturing process. This will allow us to bring seasoning sticks to you in a very healthful way. We've even added a little touch of white turmeric to each of our blends for some added health benefits. With so much already completed, my team is ready to move to production. This will allow us to get our backer rewards out to you in time so you can enjoy summer barbecues, dinner with your family and friends, or perhaps just a quick, easy, and flavorful chicken breast along with your dinner after a hard day. We hope that you will support us in our effort to bring to market one of the first revolutions in seasoning and spices in 1,000 years. Thank you for your support.
Cinebird is the first and only kitchen gadget to make creative messages and drawings with all natural materials found in food, such as cinnamon, instant cocoa powder, paprika, ground parsley, ground sugar, and more. Cinebird connects people and offers a great way to surprise loved ones with a thoughtful message written in their favorite spice. And it's perfect for adding a little extra spice to parties and gatherings. Cinebird is simple to operate and requires little maintenance, which means that anyone can use it. You just fill it with ground material, press the button, and draw. Latte art has never been so fun or so easy, and children will never tire of drawing with Cinebird, as they will be able to make a beautiful decoration for any occasion.
The Barasur is finally here to redesign your morning, introducing a whole new way to wake up and begin your fresh, new day. Promising to renew your morning routine, the Barasur combines ultimate convenience with a sensory experience. Wake up to the invigorating aroma of freshly brewed coffee or tea at your chosen time. Before going to bed, fill the glass boiling vessel with enough water for your chosen morning drink. Place the bung in the top of the boiling vessel securely. If you take milk with your drink, fill the specially designed milk vessel. Next, we're ready for you to add the good stuff. Spoon the freshly ground coffee into the filter from the sealed storage compartment. Set your alarm time, then set the brew time for your drink, before, at the alarm, or after. The Barasur can be used for tea as well as coffee. Charge your phone off the USB port located in the base. My research was inspired by the psychology behind sleep and relaxation. I learned that adopting a nightly routine can encourage a more restful night's sleep, whilst gently stimulating one's senses can lead to a better awakening. Another branch of my research was looking at function versus aesthetic. My aim was to design a beautiful product that people can proudly display in their home, but that also engages the user physically. The Barasur uses induction heating for maximum safety and efficiency. The induction coil induces an electromagnetic current that heats the content of the vessel. When the vessel boils, it creates steam, which pushes the water out and into the coffee. Simple science, however, this hasn't been a simple process. It has taken a year of hard work and dedication to get it right. The Barasur has been endlessly refined for manufacturing purposes. The induction heating element has been the biggest challenge to overcome. There are no off-the-shelf parts that fit the required specifications of the product. I have been working with an experienced team of electrical engineers to design, code and build an induction heater that produces the output required, whilst keeping it small enough to integrate into the product. What we have refined and developed: a built-in Peltier cooler to ensure milk is kept cool overnight. The filter arm has 3 magnets to keep it in place for your convenience. We've redesigned a higher quality filter for more efficient brewing. The boiling vessel has been redeveloped with a stainless steel base for improved connection to the induction coil. A max line has been integrated on the boiling vessel. The LED display now includes a light sensor to regulate the display brightness, adjusting to your environment. Why we need you. Gearing up for manufacture means huge resources and financial support. We are a self-funded startup and have funded as much of the project ourselves as possible. Now we need your support. With the Barasur, quality is our main concern and we refuse to make any compromises. We have been working with the top safety experts to ensure that we meet all the health and safety requirements. We have world-class sourcing companies with years of experience lined up, who are standing by to coordinate all stages of production and logistics. I cannot think of anything better than to see this product become a reality and have people all over the world waking up to the Barasur. I haven't come this far to only get this far, so please back the Barasur and join our mission for better mornings.